Hello everyone, so today we're going to be learning about hemochromatosis, fourth video in the Haematology series. Haemochromatosis is an autosomal recessive disorder which is characterized by a mutation in chromosome 6 in the HFE gene. So let's go over the function of iron. Iron is important because it leads to erythropoiesis, which is the process by which red blood cells are formed, and red blood cells are important to allow for the transportation of oxygen around the body. Some of the causes of hemochromatosis can be thalassemia and sideroblastic anemia, as well as alcohol and chronic liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver, as these reduce the level of hepcidin in the blood. Now, hepcidin is important in regulating serum iron in the body. So when there is reduced hepcidin, it disrupts the iron metabolism, leading to an excess accumulation of iron in the body. This can present with increased brown pigmentation. So if you go to the next slide, you can see the hand on the right being more brown and pigmented due to the deposit of iron in the skin. It can also lead to chronic fatigue and arthritis due to the deposits building up in the joints, heart failure, sexual dysfunction such as erectile dysfunction, and abdominal pain. We would investigate hemochromatosis by checking for serum iron levels in the blood, which would be raised, by checking for serum transferrin saturation, which would also be raised, and a reduced total iron binding capacity. We can also test it genetically with HFE gene testing. To manage hemochromatosis, we need to get rid of the blood to get rid of the excess iron, so we would do this via venesection, a phlebotomy method to remove excess iron in the blood. Some complications of hemochromatosis can involve amenorrhea, which is loss of the menstrual cycle in periods. And typically, hemochromatosis does actually tend to present much later in female due to the menstrual cycle, meaning more iron has to deposit in the blood for it to become noticeable. This amenorrhea may lead to infertility. The iron can also build up in the heart, leading to dilated cardiomyopathy, as well as complications such as type 2 diabetes mellitus. Now, here are some questions for you to have a go at. The answers can be found in the previous slides in the recording. Thank you.